thank you once again. Certainly those dresses were magnificent. Everybody who designs them, they're very creative, and little wonder they were at the Edinburgh Tattoo. Now tonight we were to have President Andrew Jackson with us, but unfortunately he got waylaid and he cannot be there. You know what these presidents of America are? They often get waylaid, and he couldn't be here tonight, but perhaps sometime again we will hear from him. But I'm glad to tell you that Will Brennan's here, and he's got some lovely young ladies with him too, and they're all looking well. And Will himself was looking well, but he's not as good looking as I am, you know. But nevertheless, we're going to cut the ropes now and let him loose, and I hope he gets set up here good and quick, because everything's going haywire tonight. Are you ready, Will? Not quite yet, but he'll be ready now in a minute. These county Elton people, they take their time and everything. I can't leave them alone. I used to do a lot of preaching down there, and they were very good to me. But I always have a wee go at them. But I think they're near ready now. Are you near ready back there? Just 1 minute. You hear that Ballymena slang? It nearly put you off that, wouldn't it? They talk about, we talk about talking, and they talk about tatting. And you're going to the house. I'm thinking of starting to pass in this Ulster-Scots languages. You know, it'll be worth a hearing. I can hardly talk English. Please welcome tonight the men and women belonging to